We'll guide you through how to get support from Calendly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Calendly website on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. You'll see a help icon, usually represented by a question mark or a chat bubble. Click on that icon to open the support menu. Here, you have a few options. You can start by typing your question or issue into the search bar to see if there's an article or FAQ that addresses your problem. Calendly has a comprehensive help center that covers a wide range of topics. So this is often a quick way to find solutions. If you can't find what you need, scroll down to the bottom of the support menu and look for the Contact US option. Click on it to bring up a form where you can describe your issue in detail. Make sure to include as much information as possible, such as your account details and any error messages you might be seeing. This will help the support team assist you more efficiently. After filling out the form, submit it, and you'll receive a confirmation email that your request has been received. Calendly support team typically responds within a business day, but it can vary depending on the issue. If your problem is urgent, consider looking for any live chat options or phone numbers listed in the support section, as these can sometimes provide quicker responses. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.